Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shannon, your English teacher. Welcome to this slow English listening practice. In this video, I will read a text about my city, Vancouver. Please listen carefully and try to understand as much as you can. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and listen without reading, okay? After listening, you can read the captions in the description. After the listening practice, we have some comprehension questions and vocabulary words. Ready? Let's begin. I am from Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver is a big city on the west coast of Canada. It is a modern city with tall buildings, but it is also very close to nature. That is why many people say Vancouver is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. The city is next to the Pacific Ocean. You can walk near the water and see the boats. You can also see the mountains. The mountains are very close, so you can travel from the city to the mountains in less than 1 hour. It is amazing because you can enjoy the beach and the mountains in the same day. The weather in Vancouver is special. In winter, it rains a lot. Sometimes there is snow, but not very much in the city. In the mountains, there is a lot of snow. So people go skiing, snowboarding, and snowshoeing. In the spring, the flowers start to grow, and the trees become green. In summer, the weather is warm and sunny. And many people go outside. In autumn, the leaves change color and the city looks very beautiful. There are many things to do in Vancouver. You can go to Stanley Park, which is a very big park near downtown. Many people walk, ride bikes, or go running there. You can also visit the beaches. In summer, people like to swim, play volleyball, or just sit and relax. If you like sports, you can watch a hockey game because hockey is very popular in Canada. Vancouver is also a city of many cultures. People from many different countries live here. You can hear many languages when you walk in the streets. Because of this, Vancouver has food from all over the world. You can eat Chinese food, Indian food, Mexican food, Japanese food, and many other kinds of food. Transportation in Vancouver is good. Many people take the bus or the SkyTrain to work or school. Some people drive cars, but traffic can be busy. Many people also ride bikes because the city has bike lanes. Walking is also very nice, especially near the ocean or in the parks. Vancouver is a busy city, but it also feels peaceful because of the nature. There are mountains, forests, rivers, and the ocean all around. Many tourists visit Vancouver every year to see the beautiful views and enjoy the activities. I like living in Vancouver because it has everything. It has the city life with shops, restaurants, and events. It also has nature with parks, beaches, and mountains. The people are friendly, and there are many different cultures. For me, Vancouver is not only my city, it is my home. And I think it is a wonderful place to live. How did you do? Did you understand everything? If not, listen one more time and read the script in the description. Comprehension question time. Let's see if you understood. Question number 1. Where is Vancouver? Vancouver is on the west coast of Canada. What 2 kinds of nature are close to the city? Mountains and the ocean are close to the city. What is the weather like in the winter? There is a lot of rain and sometimes snow in the winter. Last one. What sport is very popular in Canada? Soccer? Baseball? No. Yes, but no. Hockey. Hockey is very popular in Canada. Okay, this is the last part of our video today. Vocabulary. Maybe some of these words are new. First, ocean. A very big water, bigger than the sea. Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, big body of water. Number 2, mountain. A very tall hill with snow on the top. 3, downtown. The center of the city. 4, park. A green place in the city with trees and grass. Skytrain. Like a metro or a train, a type of transportation that we have in Vancouver. Culture. These are traditions, language, and food from different people, like Mexican culture, Indian culture, Japanese culture, Venezuelan culture. Tourist. A person who visits a city for travel or vacation. Peaceful, calm, and quiet. View. What you can see from a place. For example, view of the mountains, view of the ocean, view of a park, view of a building. Last one, home. The place you live and feel comfortable. Okay, guys, did you like today's lesson? Do you want more slow English listening activities like this? Follow me to learn more English. Love you. Bye.